Good morning students. Now today we will study about exercise 11.5 in maths, which is based on about quadrilaterals and polygon. So first we will study about quadrilateral. Okay, so what is quadrilateral? Quadrilateral, the name itself suggests that quad plus lateral. Quad means what? Quad means what? Quad means four-sided figure. Four-sided figure. Okay, quad means four-sided figure. That means in quadrilateral all those figures will be included in quadrilateral, in which all the sides must be of 4. Okay, all 4 sides in the sorry, that means what? All in quadrilateral all those figures are included in which the sides are 4. That is, rectangle is of 4-sided, square is of 4-sided figure, then trapezium is of 4-sided figure. Okay, rhombus is of 4-sided figure. Okay, and rhombus, trapezium, parallelogram is of 4-sided figure. So rectangle, square, trapezium, rhombus, parallelogram and kite. All these figures are figure is lie under the family of quadrilateral. That means in quadrilateral all these figures are lying on quadrilateral. Why? Because all these figures have 4 sides, and the sum of quadrilateral is the sum of angles of quadrilateral. The sum of angles of quadrilateral is how much? Is equals to 360 degree. Okay, 360 degree. The sum of angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. Okay, so this is the essential condition for the quadrilateral. Okay, now see here, we will see each and every figure. The first one is, we have to study about rectangle. See, rectangle, we all know that this is rectangle. Okay, ABCD. This is a rectangle figure in which what? AB is equals to DC and AD is equals to BC. Okay, AB should be equals to DC and AD is equal to BC. That means opposite side must be equal. And what else, rest of the property? That means all the angle is of 90 degree. Angle A equals to angle B equals to angle C and equals to angle D. All are equals to 90 degree. All 4 angles is of 90 degree. This is what we have to study in rectangle. Okay, and what? The diagonals of rectangle are equal. Diagonals means what? This is the diagonals. See, diagonals means diagonal AC will be equal to BD. Okay, both are diagonal. Diagonal means a slant line which are joining two opposite vertices. A slant line which are joining two opposite vertices is known as diagonal, and diagonal AC must be equal to BD. So these are the properties of rectangle which you have to by heart, or which you have to keep in your memory, as it is a very vast topic which you have to study in your higher classes too. So keep these in mind, that opposite sides in rectangle must be equal. All 4 angles is of 90 degree. That means all 4 angles are same and the diagonals is of equal length. So this is about rectangle. Next we have to study about square. Okay, so rectangle is a 4-sided figure which is a quadrilateral. Okay, then square. Square is also a quadrilateral because it is also having a 4 side. So this is a square. ABCD. Okay, we all know that the sides of square is equal, that is AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to AD. All four side is of same length. Okay, all four side is of same length and all angles is also of same angle. Okay, all angle must be equals to 90 degree, which is same. So these are the properties of the square. Okay, these are the property of the square. That means all angle must be equal and all sides must be equal and diagonals are also equals and diagonals are also equal in square also. Okay, that means AC is equals to BD. AC is equals to BD. So these are the property of square which we have to study, keep in mind. Okay, so this is about square. Next we have to study about what? Next we have to study about rhombus. Rhombus is also a four-sided figure. This is rhombus. Okay, ABCD. This figure is known as rhombus. Okay, in rhombus what? All four sides in rhombus is equal. That is AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to AD. All four sides are equal, but all diagonals are also equal. That means diagonal AC and diagonal BD is equal. Okay, then what? Diagonals bisect each other. Bisect each other. Okay, that means diagonals are equal. That means what? AC is equals to BD and diagonal bisect each other. That means what? If we consider this point as O, then AO equals to OC and OD equals to OB. That means AO means this AO is equals to OC and this OD is equals to OB. So these are the properties of diagonals. In diagonals what we have in rhombus, that all four sides are of equal length, then diagonals is also equal, and what? Diagonal bisect each other. That means OD is equals to OB and OC is equals to OD, and also what? That diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. So these are the properties of rhombus. Okay, next we have to study about trapezium. What is trapezium? In trapezium, see here, trapezium have this type of figure. This is a trapezium in which what we are seeing that AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. Okay, so these are parallel. AB is parallel to CD and AD is not equals to BC and AD is not equals to BC. Okay, so these are the property of trapezium. Diagonal should be of different length. In trapezium, diagonal is of different length. Okay, that means diagonal AC and diagonal BD is not equal. Diagonal AC is not equals to diagonal BD. Okay, so this is the property of trapezium in which we have studied that AB is parallel to DC. Okay, and AC and BD is of different length, and the side AD and side BC is also of different length. So This is also a four-sided figure known as trapezium, which is lying under the quadrilateral family. The next is parallelogram. Parallelogram. Okay, so parallelogram is like this. This is parallelogram. Okay, in this AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. Okay, AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. Okay, when these two sides are parallel, then the figure is known as parallelogram. And also what? Opposite angle is equal to each other. Okay, in parallelogram opposite angle are equal. Angle B is equal to angle D and angle A is equals to angle C. Okay, so this is parallelogram's property. And angle A plus angle B, that means these two angles is of same side. Okay, angle A plus angle D, angle D plus angle C and angle C plus angle B, all are of 180 degree. All are of 180 degree. That means all angle which are of same side, that means angle A and angle B, if we will sum, then the result is 180 degree. Angle A and angle E, they are on same side. Sum gives 180 degree. Angle D and angle C, sum gives 180 degree. Angle C and angle B, the sum gives 180 degree. Why? Because they all are on same sides. So the sum of the angles will be 180 degree and opposite angle must be equal. Opposite angle, that means angle B is equals to angle D and angle A is equals to angle C. And what? AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. Okay, parallel. Parallel never means they are of same size, only they are of पैरेलल. पैरेलल का मतलब ये नहीं होता कि ए बी क्या है, सी डी के सेम हो, बराबर हो. ए बी सी डी के पैरेलल है. अंडरस्टैंड? नॉट सेम. सो दिस इज द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ quadrilateral I have explained you. Okay, each and every properties I have explained you about rectangle, about square, about rhombus, trapezium, each and every I have explained you. Okay, one more is left, which is kite. Kite is a four-sided figure. This is a kite. This is a kite. Kite means पतंग. पतंग आपने देखी होगी, है ना? Kite means पतंग. So this is a kite in which what? A, B, C and D. So these are the diagonals. AC is equals to BD, diagonal. These are diagonals. Okay, diagonals are equal and opposite angles are also equal in kite. That is, angle A is equals to angle C and angle B is equals to angle D in kite. So this figure is known as kite. Both diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. That means here we will have 90 degree angles. Okay, and this is equals to this and this is equals to this. That means if this point is considered as O, then AO is equals to OC, BO is equals to OD. Okay, and AC is perpendicular to BD. Okay, that means what? AO is equals to OC, OB is equals to OD. Okay, so this is the property of kite and both intersect each other at 90 degree. Okay, so this is the property of kite. Okay, next we have to study about polygons. What are polygons? Polygons are those figures which having more than 4 sides. Polygon are those figure those figure which having more than 4 sides. Okay, so more than 4 sides mean 5 sides, which is pentagon, 6 sides hexagon, 7 sides is of heptagon. Okay, like this only. That means more than 4 sided figure is known as polygons, which having more than 4 sides figure. So till here what you have studied, that if any figure having 3 sides, that means that figure is known as triangle. If any figure having 4 sides, then that figure is known as quadrilateral, and the sum of the angles of triangle is 180 degree and the sum of the angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree, which is equal to the sum of the angles of circle. Okay. Now in quadrilateral there are many figures lying under quadrilateral. If we starting from rectangle, then square, then rhombus, then parallelogram, trapezium, kite, and all these figures are under quadrilateral, and all the properties I have explained here clearly. If any doubt, you can contact me. Next we have to study about polygons. If any figure having more than 4 sides, then that figure is known as polygon. Like 5-sided figure pentagon. See, pentagon means what? 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides, then 4 sides and 5 side. 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, 4 side, 5 side. Then it is a pentagon. Okay, pentagon. Then it is a pentagon. Hexagon means 6-sided figure. 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, 4 side, 5 side, and this is 6 sides. Okay, this is 6 sides. 6 sides, so hexagon. Okay, hexagon. Like that only, if any figure having more than 4 sides, then that figure is known as polygon. Then that figure is known as polygon. In polygons, more than 4 sides, all figure which is having more than 4 sides are lying under pentagon. So this is what we have to study in this exercise. Now I will suggest you to do all the questions of this exercise, and if any problem you can contact me. Thank you.